Will there be tears, or will the Messi side be walking alone tonight? What do I know? Welcome to the pre-match review of the Saturday League games. The first game is the game of Bournemouth. It's the game of Arsenal versus Bournemouth. It's going to be a very, very tough game, but I see Arsenal winning this game, especially granting a win in the Champions League and coming into winning ways after losing 2 straight games. I think this is a game Arsenal will win so that they can remain top of the table and see their chance of winning the Premier League this season. For my prediction, I will say it's Arsenal 3, Bournemouth 1. The next game is the Liverpool versus Fulham game. This is going to be a very, very tough game because Liverpool needs to rest some players so that they can play the Champions League and see if they can stage a comeback. But at the same time, they need to also win this game so that they can see their chance of making the top 4 and qualifying for the Champions League next season. This is going to be very, very, very tough for Liverpool, to be very honest. And I don't see Liverpool winning this particular one. I think Liverpool is going to lose this particular game. And for my prediction, I'll say it's Liverpool 1, Fulham 2. The next game is the Barcelona versus Espanyol game in the La Liga. This is one game I think Barcelona is going to rest off a lot of players, especially after Real Madrid drawing their game against Girona 1-1 last night. It gives Barcelona much hope and much opportunity to rest players in this game because they have a Champions League game they need to play next week Tuesday, I think, either Wednesday or Tuesday, I can't remember, but they have a Champions League game against Atletico de Madrid, and they are 2-0 down already, and they need to win the game 3-0 on aggregate to be able to win. On aggregate, they need to play 3-2 to win so that they can move to the semi-final of the Champions League. And if they don't win this particular game, it doesn't cost them so much because at the moment, I think they have 76 points, while Real Madrid have 70 points, which is 6 points clear. So either if they lose or win the game, it's a win-win for them, to be very honest. If they lose, they still remain 6 points clear. If they win, they go 9 points clear. If they draw, they go 7 points clear. So I think Barcelona will rest a lot of players so that they can have a lot of players ready and fresh for the Atletico de Madrid game. If they rest a lot of players, then they might get a draw in this particular one because it's a derby game at the same time. Barcelona don't like losing derby game, especially the Espanyol game. So it's a bit complicated at some points. But I see Barcelona at least getting a win in this game. And for my prediction, I'll say it's Barcelona 2, Espanyol 1. Give us your predictions about these games and I'll be in the comment section. Bye guys.